right. She said, what is this?
No, I'm not.
You said this is like the city. You said you get out of here.
It is part of the city, though. There's no certain parts are in LA. That's what it is.
So there's we live in a pretty part of Long Island.
No, what are you talking about Long Island for? You talking about this?
All right, we over here. Downtown. Right? This downtown? Yeah. We locked the door again. This junk look just like the city. I ain't left home. Well, no, I don't live in the city. I live in Long Island. But this junk remind me of. Well, I went to the city. So, we got 2 hours out here. You gonna go that way to the food thing, or was that way? I said it was that way on the main street. On that street up there, it was that way. Oh, look at it all. It's cool to go to a different city. It is. But you get to see the difference in their city. There's still palm trees. But the weird thing is, she likes going to the city. So I don't get it. But, all right. We're looking for the food court. So, let's find that. It's a tourist thing. We just drove past it. Well, it can't be that far. It's so cute over here. I'll try to find something to eat because we have not eaten a proper meal today. Have we eaten a proper meal today? Sophia, though? All right, so let's find something. If you want, we can get a cupcake later. Oh, you already got stuff in the car. Yeah. You do. You need to finish that. A liar. y'all drive that. But, about to get some Italy. We got one in the city, but I don't live in the city. So, what you say? But, I don't live in the city, so I'm excited because I haven't had Italy in a while. Because I have not been that way when I go to the city. I'm trying to look around, make sure I get ran over. It's pork and lime. But this mall is real close to Rodeo Drive. So, I'm gonna go see. I see the sign, I don't see the escalator. Had me a pressed juice to hold me over. They only list these ingredients on the menu, and then you taste it, you're like, what is that? It has lemon in it. They should list all the ingredients. It wasn't bad, but I just wasn't expecting lemon. But anyway, all right. Safira's excited. She never seems to bring up. She always got to make her own. And it's cheap. She said, and it's not Nesquik. We're outside on the patio. Wait, I didn't hear you. I couldn't hear. You enjoying your mocktail? That's enough right now. Girl. Damn. If you don't put that daggone thing down. You need help. That's not her, is it? No. Excuse me. Do y'all have fresh Parmesan? It smells so good in here. Too many Disney pins in my bag, so I had to go to a second screening. Yeah, I'm tired because we're gonna be, it's not a long flight, but we did get a layover, so we have an hour and something for this flight, and then the other flight, which is basically the same time that the flight was from New York to LA. It's taking the same amount of
Attention
time.
to the terminal, JetBlue customers on flight 1268 to Hartford, Connecticut.
But,
Your gate of departure is 51A. Once again, JetBlue customers on flight 1268 to Hartford, Connecticut. Your gate of departure is 51A.
well, we should be leaving soon. I'm tired, ready to go home. Sophia keeps talking about when we going out again. I do not even know. I do not even know. But that is basically it. We're headed home. We had a good time. I am ready for another vacation already. I was looking online. But for right now, this is good. We had a layover, so it's like just an hour. But we are trying to find something to eat and drink real quick. We were rushing to return the car, so I didn't pick up anything to eat. And all we have are snacks. Now we're really ending it. I'm tired as heck. It's like 7 o'clock in the morning. We left there at 8 p.m. daytime. We had one layover and gonna go home, rest for a bit. And I gotta go UPS, pick up my packages. Oh, pick up these pets. Whole bunch of stuff. But it was a fun trip. No problems. You had a good time? Okay. All right. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.